Good morning, student. Welcome to all of you in YouTube channel of Icon Prep Public School. Today, you have to know ordering of numbers. Under ordering of numbers, today will be descending order. In descending order, it means घटते क्रम. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of descend. Descend means to come down. Come down, it means नीचे उतरना. कहने का तात्पर्य ये हुआ, whenever you come down from the roof, you put the first step on the highest stair. After that, put the next step under the highest stair. Now, descend means to come down. It means नीचे उतरना. In descending order, we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. यानी descending order में जो है बड़ा नंबर से छोटा नंबर की ओर अरेंज करते हैं. जब भी नंबर को अरेंज करेंगे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, तो सबसे पहले बड़ा नंबर को रखेंगे, उसके बाद फिर उससे छोटा नंबर को रखेंगे, उसके बाद फिर उससे छोटा नंबर को रखेंगे. इस प्रकार से सबसे छोटा नंबर जो होगा उसको लास्ट में रखते हैं. इन दिस वे, whenever you come down from the roof, you put the first step on the highest stair. यानी जब आप छत पर से नीचे उतरते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी पर स्टेप रखते हैं, उसके बाद फिर उससे नीचे वाली सीढ़ी पर स्टेप रखते हैं, उसके बाद फिर उससे नीचे वाली सीढ़ी पर रखते हैं. In this way, at last, you put the last step on the lowest or lowest stair. Now, you have to understand through some example. First, here some numbers are given: 19, 18, 25, 50. You are looking carefully. In these numbers, first of all, we have to select the greatest number. We are looking here, 50 is the greatest number among these numbers. 50 is the greatest among these numbers. So, we put the 50 at first. At first, we put 50. After 50, we have to put here 25. After 25, we put here 19. And after 19, at last, we put here a smallest number. Here, a smallest number is 19. So, we put here, here a smallest number is 18. So we put here at last smallest number 18. Now these numbers are arranged in descending order. Look carefully. You are looking here. At first we put greatest number. Here greatest number is 50. So first of all we put here 50. After it we put 25 because 25 is smaller than 50. After it we put 19. 19 is smaller than 25. At last we put here 18, and because 18 is the smallest number. In second example, 18, 95, 63, 53. You all look carefully. In these numbers, 95 is the greatest number. You are looking here. Some numbers are given here: 18, 95, 63 and 53. Now you can say here is 95 is the greatest number and 18 is the smallest number. So we put at first 95 because you have to arrange in descending order. So first of all we put here 95. After 95 we put 63 because 63 is smaller than 95. So we can put here 63. Now we put 53 because 53 is smaller than 63, and at last we put the smallest number as 18. 18 is the smallest number. Now you are looking here. First of all 95, after it 63, after it 53, and at last 18. 18 is the smallest number. Now these numbers are arranged in descending order. At last I am giving you some questions to solve. All of you write down carefully. Write. First question. Arrange in descending order. First 60, 52, 19, 18, 2. Second 15, 25, 5, 9, 8. Third 18, 15, 63, 25, 9 and 5. In question number 4, 3, 5, 2, 1, 4. At last, question number 5, 9, 2, 3, 19, 91. Thank you. Okay.